I'm Nicole from Let Nicole Help, and in this video, let's explore why email types are important in your 17 Hats account. So I'm just going to go ahead and start right here on this new template and email buttons. So right here in the top right, you can see all the different types of emails that we can create. A regular email being one that is not associated with a document. And then of course, we have quote emails, contract emails, invoice emails, etc. So why these matter is because when you are building a workflow or even just creating your templates that you want to have accessible to you as you're doing your work, when you're sending an invoice, for example, you need to then have a email template that is the invoice email type. Okay, so that is important because otherwise, if you leave it as regular email, when you go to send this invoice, the template that you had created actually won't be available for you to select. It will need to be specified as an invoice email. So when I do click on that, another great thing that happens because we've selected this type of email is we have some very specific invoice tokens that become available to us. So if I scroll down, you're going to then see all of these tokens that we can build not only in the message of our email, but in the subject line. So those are only available because of the fact that I've selected invoice email. If I, for example, select contract email instead, kind of refresh my tokens here, you can then see I will have a couple of contract specific tokens. Okay, so these are the reasons that email types are important in 17 Hats when you're building your email templates. I hope this helps.